In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Figma design file. Whether you're working on a personal project or collaborating with a team, it's really important to know how to save a local copy of your design from Figma. This gives you a backup, lets you archive older versions, and makes it easier to share files outside of Figma when needed. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process, and I'll explain what's happening at each point so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, make sure you already have your design file open in Figma. This can be either in the desktop app or in your browser. The interface is almost identical, so the steps are the same. Once your file is open and you can see your canvas, look to the very top left corner of the screen. You'll see the main menu bar, and next to the Figma logo there's a small arrow icon. This arrow is what opens the main file menu for your current document. Go ahead and click on that small arrow in the top left. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains all of the options related to your file, such as renaming, sharing, and other actions. From here, you want to move your mouse down to the option labeled File. Don't confuse this with your browser's file menu. You're looking specifically at Figma's internal menu. Click on File. This will open a secondary menu with more detailed options. In this list, scroll or look down until you find the option that says Save Local Copy. This is the command that tells Figma to export your current design file as a fig file to your computer. Click on Save Local Copy. When you do this, Figma will open your system's Save Dialog window. Here, you can choose where you want to store the file, such as your desktop, a project folder, or a cloud synced directory, like a drive on your computer. You can also rename the file to something clear and descriptive before saving. Once you've chosen the location and name, confirm the action by clicking Save. Figma will now create a local Fig file on your computer. You can later reopen this file in Figma, share it with teammates, or keep it as a backup. And that's all you need to do to save a Figma design file locally.